Got my Cricut Mug Press today and I'm really excited. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and then walk you through setup. Setup is pretty easy. However, you do need a computer or a laptop to set it up. Once it's set up, you can use it with your phone or your tablet. Joann Fabrics sent me this package from Cricut. They sent both the 12-ounce mug and the 15-ounce mugs. Here's the Cricut Mug Press in this box, and I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box, show you what the box looks like, and then I am going to come back to it a little bit later so we can see exactly what is in the box. The next box I got is a box of infusible inks, small enough, the small ones that fit the Cricut Joy. Really excited about these. I haven't gotten to use my Joy a whole lot, but with this new mug press and the infusible inks, I am planning on using it a whole lot more and doing a whole lot more tutorials. Joann really hooked me up with infusible inks. And now let's open the mug press. Right away, just like most Cricut products, you see the little welcome card. The press is nestled like really nicely inside the box, and up under your press it's also shrink wrapped with plastic. Under the press is the power cord and the USB cord for the registration. I gotta say, I really love the design of this press. I've used other presses, and to me, they were kind of difficult to use. With the Cricut Mug Press, you literally just sit your mug down in there, close the handle over here on the right side, and then it does the work for you. But the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get our press registered, and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through that too. Registering your press is really easy. You're just going to go to www.cricut.com/setup. A new screen is going to pop up and you want to click download. Then another screen will pop open and it's going to show your Cricut machines and the Cricut heat presses. For the Cricut Mug Press, you're going to choose heat press. And once you have chosen that, it's super simple. Just follow the on-screen prompts. It's going to walk you right through the setup process. This setup should really be done in a well-ventilated area. The first thing the setup process is going to have you do is obviously sit it by a window or a ventilated area. Then you need to find an outlet and plug the power cord into the back first, and then plug into the outlet and power your Cricut Mug Press on. Then moving on to the next step, you're going to plug the USB into the back of the mug press first and then into the back of your computer. Once you have properly connected everything, you'll see the little green continue button and the next screen to let's activate your mug press. It'll then install any updates that you may need, and then once you're all done with that, Cricut Design Space will open so that you can start creating and designing. Hopefully this little walkthrough helps you set up your new mug press. I am leaving links to where you can purchase it, and I want to thank Joann for sending me all the products. You guys stay tuned. I will be posting a few tutorials very, very soon.